Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is the unboxing and a complete feature overview of the Sennheiser's Momentum True Wireless 2, the wireless earbuds. One of the most premium in this category, or for the true wireless earbuds category, because the previous one, the Momentum True Wireless, was also priced the same. This is priced at 25,000 rupees, and most of you might be wondering why is the price so high. There are several reasons to that. Firstly, it's coming from Sennheiser. It doesn't mean that Sennheiser is always a premium costing brand, but coming from a brand that you can trust for things, obviously the price should be good when there are things that are offered in that way. So some of the features that are given here on the box itself include the smart pause, which would use the sensors, that's the wear detection on some of the other earbuds as well, customizable touch control. Frankly, this is also not something new because Realme also does that in its budget earbuds. This voice assistant access, active noise cancellation. Now this is something that you don't see often except when it's in the premium range. For example, the Apple's AirPods Pro. And the battery life offered is 7 hours for the individual earbuds and 21 hours through the case. And if you know the previous one, the Sennheiser's Momentum True Wireless, the case is one of the best parts there because of how well it is made externally. And now this comes with the IPX4 certification, AAC support is there as well, SBC is anyway included, but there's also the Qualcomm aptX codec support given here, and this earbud support Bluetooth 5.1. And you can see the price here, 24,990 is the price of this one. And that's it. It would anyway work through an application, so you have the Sennheiser smart control app, through which it doesn't mean that it won't work otherwise, but then you could control it better. You can actually set those touch controls. You can also set the equalizers. So the equalizers can be done. I mean, you can change the level of bass, level of treble. So that's the best part about this, the app control. And according to Sennheiser itself, this has a deep bass, natural mid, and a clear detailed treble. So everything is well balanced out. And for the audio output, this comes with the 7mm dynamic drivers. Those are the bespoke drivers. And now let's open this one to show you how this looks like, the case looks like. And this is quite a new design if you compare this from the previous model, that's the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. The True Wireless 2 have a different kind of a design here. Even though these are also in-ear, so in-ear would create that seal obviously for the noise isolation. And the isolation added with the active noise cancellation actually makes it quite a good one for the music listeners. Not just for the music listeners, but for all those who travel. Right now it's not a situation when you can travel, but obviously there would be a time when things hopefully get better and get back to normal, and that's when you might want to replace your large headphones with these kind of things that are doing a good job. So this is how it looks like. It looks premium. Frankly, it looks premium. Obviously, you can see how it looks like. And this is the case, and these are the earbuds. Let's now pull out the welcome kit. So this is the welcome guide, or the entire list of booklets, or the quick start guide, the warranty manual, and also the tips and tricks to help you start using them well without any issue. You have a USB Type-A to Type-C cable given here for charging the case. The case has the USB Type-C port. And now apart from that, you have a set of these ear tips. These are silicone ear tips with the different sizes. So you have a total of 4 sizes where you have the large, the small, and extra small, and the medium is going to be pre-installed with the earbuds itself. There's also this safety compliance safety guide, and that is also a separate booklet that is given there. And finally, you have the Momentum True Wireless 2 compliance information. This is for the battery and those kind of informations that are given here. And now let's pull this out. So this is the premium looking case. It not just looks premium but also feels premium because of that threaded pattern, and it's actually made with that threading, and it's not just the looks there. So it's actually premium. So obviously when the price is so high, you expect things like these, and that's the charging points for the earbuds. Now let's keep this aside and show you the earbuds themselves. Now these are the earbuds. We'll talk about them individually and we'll give you the main specifications and the design overview of it. So now these are the earbuds. You have this touch control area. This entire part is the touch control or the touch access area, and you have a set of microphones and the sensors here. So this is the large sensor towards the center that would help in the weight detection or to automatically pause, which Sennheiser calls as the smart pause. So it would automatically pause the music whenever you are taking out the earbuds from your ears, and if you want to talk to someone immediately, you don't want to lose out on the music that you were already listening to. And there's also the pogo pins. These are the charging pins, and this is the ear tip. And now you have the set of microphones, and this is majorly for the active noise cancellation. So you can actually set the touch controls. By default there would be some controls, but you can actually change them. So that's one advantage which would help in the better usage of the earbuds and better control of the earbuds with your own touch. And apart from that, there's one feature that's transparent hearing, which anyway you can't get a demo of that here, but transparent hearing is similar to how you want to replicate with things like the Sony's XM3, the premium ANC headphones. In those kind of headphones, you see that transparency mode where if you're listening to the music, you can choose whether to have an external noise coming in, or you can sometimes only have the external noise coming in and you're still wearing that headphones. That thing coming into an earbud is quite something exceptional. So while I'm already talking about this, about the main features, I'd also say that 25,000 is something that not many can afford paying. Especially given that these are earbuds, not the full headphones, because headphones is a separate category altogether, and there we have seen options that are much more higher in price than this as well. But for the true wireless earbuds, there are only a limited number of options that cross the price of 10 to 15,000 rupees, and this priced at 25,000 rupees. So obviously you might want to look out for the reasons why you have to pay so much for these particular earbuds. Now for the weight of these earbuds, these are 6 gram each, and the case is 58 grams in weight. So a total weight here is of 70 grams for the entire package, but 6 grams comparably, if you check this when compared to the other earbuds in the same category, not the same category, actually with any earbuds, most of them would be around 4 to 5 grams in weight. This is at 6 grams, and one of the reasons is that it comes with those extra sensors and also the larger battery that is able to offer you about 7 hours of battery life, and with the support of aptX, even on the higher codec support with the higher output of the audio or a better quality audio output, you still are getting 7 hours of battery from the individual earbud. So obviously that large battery as well included might have increased the weight a bit, and the earbud is about 6 grams in weight. So to start pairing the earbuds, you'll actually have to wear these, and when it's worn, you'll have to press and hold, touch and hold the right and left together for 5 seconds. Then there'll be a voice prompt saying that it's pairing. So another Bluetooth settings, we get the Momentum TW2. Tapping on that would actually help pair it, and you have the support for aptX in this smartphone, so obviously you can see that there. Now let's get back to this, and let's try to reconnect the product from here. So now it's trying to connect to the Momentum TW2 as it mentions here, and this is after we turned on the location. So that was one of the requirements. You need to have the location turned on your smartphone when it's trying to pair. The welcome note, and now insert the earbuds into the ears with a slight twist. Try different ear adapters for optimum sound and wearing comfort. We'll anyway use this for quite a while, so we'll understand about the quality later, about the sizing of the ear tips. And to pair, we obviously did that, so you'll have to just hold for 3 seconds on both the ear tips together. Now for a single tap, it's play and pause. For next, you'll have to tap it twice on the left one, and previous song thrice on the left one, and hold down for the volume reduction. Now to increase the volume, hold up on the right one, and again there are on a single tap voice assistant and accept or end call. 2x would actually activate the transparent hearing. That's a good thing. You can do that from your earbuds itself. On triple tap, you have the A and C getting activated here. So these are the things that you can do, but now you have the customization possibility here. New firmware update is available. We'll do that later. At least for now, I just want to give you a quick look of what all is available here. Transparent hearing. So you have this, and you have keep music playing. Along with the transparent hearing, you can turn this off and have only the sound around you, and there's the equalizer where it is on neutral right now. You can now add up new preset, or you can change things. You can change things based on how you want it. You want a higher bass and a lesser treble, or you can keep it optimum, or the bass one. You can change that, all that, and you can actually add presets and have your own preset, so that next time you want to change it to, you can do that easily. Now under the settings, you have the smart pause, which uses the sensors. So if you don't want to have this active, you can actually keep it off, and that would also save a bit of a battery. ANC is also through a toggle, so you can use that toggle here, or you can directly do that in the earbud itself. Now for the earbuds customization, you have the left and right options where you can change everything that you want. Hold for 2 seconds to customize the gesture. Now you can change anything that you want here, and this is how premium earbuds work. So this is how actually you can do everything on your earbuds, and you can disable the touch controls as well. So that is something, I mean, weird in a way. I'm not sure how, but for some users, probably they don't want any touch controls and they just want to listen to the music regularly. You can turn everything else off, and that could be done through here. So these are the things that you can customize and change, and we'll be doing a completely full review of this one to actually let you know whether these are worth the price of 25,000. Obviously, there might be some reason for the brand to come up with such a high price, but anyway, for a user, does it make sense to spend so much on a wireless earbud setup? We'll let you know in the full review. That should come up pretty soon. And so far, I could say on my first impression, these actually look pretty good, and they also feel good with the amount of features that are given. What I'm more interested in is not the battery life, because battery life might be good. Given the size, given the claim about 7 hours, I would say you can easily get some good battery life here. But what I'm interested is in the audio quality, in seeing how the transparent hearing is, and in also seeing how the active noise cancellation works on the earbuds. So that's it in this video. This was the unboxing and a feature overview of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.